Hey guys, Tony here. I did want to release a really quick TA on Doggy, just because I talked about it yesterday. I just talked about Shiba earlier today in the morning. I do think it's going to run to 37 cents. Again, I don't like Doggy, and I don't like supporting it strictly on the fact that, you know, it relies a lot on pumps from Elon Musk to actually run towards the upside, right? So I would prefer that Doggy just kind of runs with the general crypto market by itself. But the fact that it still has that small chance of it being pumped by one person is still something that I'm not exactly okay with. Obviously its major run to the upside, literally most of its gain, or like 99% of its gain, has been just because of the Elon Musk pump, right? And I'm not saying that, you know, I made a lot of money off Doggy. I like Doggy, and it's hard not to like it. But as far as supporting it, like I said, it's kind of hard, right? It's kind of hard to support it just on the fact that, you know, it sees regular pumps, or it sees, you know, it's relying a lot on Elon Musk, and that's what I don't like. Obviously he's trying to help Doggy and stuff, but it's just one of those things where I'm like, I don't know, I'm still pretty neutral about this, right? I used to love Doggy, now I'm just kind of in the middle. But I wanted to release this video just to let you guys know that I do think that Doggy is gonna go after 37 cents. It broke resistance at 29 cents, actually, well, closer to like basically like 29-30 cents, right? And I do think it's gonna end up running to 37 cents. We have the big candle break on the daily on August 15th. On the weekly, we actually just went bullish on the week of July 26th, and this has been running hard towards the upside. And on the monthly, it does look, I mean, I'm not saying it will, but August looks like it's gonna be closing bullish all over again for all crypto. I can't really say that I'm 100% bullish on crypto yet until we close the month of August either bullish or bear neutral. That's really it. Can't really say that I'm 100% bear, 100% bullish until August 30th. But yeah, I do think Doggy is headed to 37 cents after breaking that resistance. There is really no relative highs here. I mean, if I had to do something, I'd probably go with a relative high of 16 and like 29 back here, which would kind of put Doggy at a little spot of, I think the fib might have already hit, but I don't know yet. Whoops, that's not what I want. So it would actually put it relatively close to that one fib. The one fib being what, 36 cents? It's almost in that level. So 36 cents, 37 cents would be the one fib after it broke relative highs from, you know, back in June 22nd and highs of June 25th, right? So it does look like it's going to be running towards that one fib, which would be those 36, 37 cents. And I think it is going to touch that possibly sometime this week. Keep in mind that all the crypto are starting to show weaker signs of a bull push towards the upside on the daily. The weekly is generally pretty strong for all crypto, but on the daily, it is starting to show a little bit of weaker signs towards the upside. So it's not exactly bearish. It's like a weak bull market, right? It already had its nice little run up, and now everything's kind of starting to show, you know, weaker signs of the bull push ending a little bit. I'm not saying we're gonna go down. It's just, you know, the consistency of being in bear territory is there. Like, for example, Ethereum, it's been in bear territory since August 10th, but what has it done since August 10th? It's generally just been trading up sideways, right? Which is really good for price. We hit a bear trigger August 10th. We closed the day bearish. And what has Ethereum done? it's actually traded sideways and up. So the next time we actually hit a day trigger, or sorry, a bull trigger on the day side, we are going to be pushing towards 35.79. I think 100% we're going to push towards $3,500 on Ethereum as soon as that day trigger for the bull side gets hit. But keep in mind, again, 4 hour, it does look like we're going to hit a bear side relatively soon. So I couldn't see us on Ethereum dropping back down to like, a little bit under $3,200 for Ethereum. But all the crypto charts kind of look the same way. The daily looks a little bit on the bearish side, but all price has relatively been trading sideways and up. So the next time we actually hit a bull trigger towards the upside, we're going to see a nice push. And I think that's when Ethereum is going to hit 35.79. And when BTC will more than likely finally hit that resistance of 48.721, just because it's had a nice solid resistance right around 4,800. But yeah, I think that's where it's headed. Doggy, like I said, headed to 36-37 cents. And then after that, we just got to keep an eye on the TA and see where the momentum is hanging out. So I'll see you guys later.